So, what do I keep in my mechanics bag in my car? Got this bag, it's canvas on eBay, I believe. I think it was only $19.99 or $29.99. But it's available to be able to keep a lot of things in it, and it's not that big. So it's pretty nice. I think it's a little over 2 feet long. Mini tool set. Got online. Road flares, glow sticks, because you never know. Extra napkin, I'm going to be throwing that out now. Set of gloves, mechanics gloves. Another set of DeWalt work gloves, rubberized. Road triangle. Assorted bungee cables. Knives. Well, tape. Measuring tape. I guess you could tell you how long the bag is. Oh, geez, that was way off. 18 inches. Not even 2 feet. 1.5 feet, as they say. Mask. Shovel. But once I get it out, you'll see. Collapsible shovel. Now this isn't an all-encompassing kit, but it's got a lot of things in it for a 17-inch bag. Torque wrench. Or no, sorry. Breaker bar wrench, not a torque wrench. Socket set. I had to buy a separate one because this is metric and I had an American car before, so I had to buy a separate socket set. Another glow stick that I should have in the other container, which I'll put in there. Another roll of tape. More napkins I'll be throwing out. Clamp. I actually keep this in the car because I use it for projects at home, and where I work, where I live, I don't have a garage right now. Small first aid kit. I probably should get a more encompassing one. I'm not going to take everything out of there, but maybe I'll make a different video on my new first aid kit when I get that. Box end wrenches. But these are a lot easier to use because you can just, that way you don't have to take things off on the ratchet. Another glow stick. That's package is coming apart apparently. Plastic panel pullers. Electrical tape. And that piece is something. Oh, yeah, I know what that's for. I'll use that later. Then air pressure check, pen. This should be a screwdriver set. On the side of the bag is a wrench, multi-tool, bike wrench, blankets, and apparently they had a sale on glow sticks. There's a lot more. I'm not going to a rave though, don't worry. Anyway, alright, well thank you for watching the video. If you think I'm missing anything out of this bag, let me know. If you think that you should want to tell me what's in your bag in your car for emergencies and working on it, let me know that too. Leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.